Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. For today's video I'm going to be showing you my Halloween porch decor. Hope you guys enjoy and make sure you are subscribed to our channel.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to give you the grand tour of my porch here for Halloween. So first, when you kind of look at the porch here, on the railing I just used two of those kind of pull apart webbing from Dollar Tree, and then I just got some orange mini lights and I used 2 packs of those, and I think there's a 100 count in there, and I just got that from Walmart. And then on top there I have 2 little hanging ghosts, and they were both from Dollar Tree. And then if you come up the stairs, the first thing over here on the left is this boo sign. It says boo to you, and that's from Hobby Lobby. And on the back side is the same sign I had for fall. You just switch them around for different seasons. And then I just have a pumpkin right there, and I kept my Happy Harvest mat there because I felt like it went with the Halloween theme. And then this trick or treat door sign is from Dollar Tree, and it is pretty cool. It does light up. I'm not sure exactly how that works, if they shut off or if they last all the way to Halloween. I don't really know. And then on the top I used some more of that webbing, and then I just put a spider on top, and that one is from Dollar Tree, but I believe I got it last year. And then on the side here I just kept my hay bale, and then I just put some orange mums, and then another pumpkin, and that boo sign I believe is from Dollar Tree, but it's from last year, and I kind of just liked it because it had this spider on it as well to kind of go with the rest of the theme. And then this cool guy, if there's like a humming noise in the background, it's this here. This is from a local hardware store that we have in town. I think you can get these from Walmart though, and I got it last year when it was out of season, so I think I only spent like $20, and it's pretty cute. And then you just plug it in and it blows up. And what I'm going to do is get a cord that will plug all my stuff in when it's sunset, so then I don't have to worry about plugging everything in. Alright you guys, so that is my front porch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!